Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Kathou
And Gigi.
So we back with the second part. If you haven't checked out the first part, make sure you check it out. This one will be the second part of the challenge. Like
5 sentences in French. And we have to translate, we have to read it in French and translate it in English.
Yup.
She gonna do the same again by giving si like Oh yeah, guys.
Yes.
So last time you start first, I'm starting first now.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Oh, et pas encore choisi pour moi. Alors tu fais
I mean, pay up.
Alors tu
I'm
fais
sorry. I'm sorry. Alors je suis désolée, je ne sais pas que tu.
Et donc on est succès.
You need to know that shit.
What is that?
Vert. Oh, let me see. As-tu vu
C'est quoi appeler pour moi?
wait, oh, this one. Yeah, anyways, I did something.
You did something wrong et puis tu vas
No, I didn't do nothing wrong. Read it. You just read it.
As-tu vu le verre vert allant vers le verre en verre vert? Did you see the green glass go?
What did you see? What the green what?
The green glass go vers le verre en verre vert. Did you see the green glass go to the green on green? No, to the glass and glass green.
Oh my god! Good job.
Oh men pou. On continue à me baler avec vert lia.
You got it wrong. You got it wrong.
What was it?
It's veil. Veil is, it's not this one. Veil bagay kalmas by vek kon na buda mo. Did you see the green worm going toward the green glass? That's the thing. Lemon ki gen veil manje trop siret.
The green glass green? Jesus.
Okay, now it's my turn. Pray for me, you guys. Comment down, Team Kathou, if you are with me.
Yes, I love
je te hais de tout mon
Oh! Non, pas bon pour c'est ça.
Je te hais. Ouais, je te raille. Je te hais de tout mon cœur, mais je t'adore. I hate you with all my heart, but I adore you. Okay.
See, mines are like
Pow, pow, pow.
Mines are like
So now it's your
decent
turn.
sentence. You know what I mean? Decent sentence.
Now it's your turn. Turn.
You're not gonna get it right. You know what I'm gonna do now? Read it and just give up. Yeah, give it up. Je veux et j'exige du jasmin et des jonquilles. Give it up.
I want and I insist upon jasmine and jonquille. What the heck?
Vous entendez? You heard that? Même l'île baka l'île en anglais non et puis tout le besoin pour me 37 en anglais. 6 ans seulement m'gagne ici, ou besoin me compte tout bagarre en anglais.
Ça yo chezi.
Ah la de tintin.
So bon bay ça on te mourir.
Yeah, I'm on decent like.
Okay, I'm gonna do one in my hair for you. Je peux te donner, je peux te demander quelque chose. Can I quelque chose? Qui ça? Demander.
On dit demande.
Je peux te demander quelque chose. Can I ask you for something? May I ask you for something? May I ask you for something?
Why you put 4 on it? Why you put 4 on it?
May I ask you for something?
Why you put 4 on it?
May I ask you something? Or can I ask you something?
Can I ask you something, man?
Yeah. But I got it right though. Okay, let me do one in my head for you.
But my foot.
Oh, you wanna do it? Then you gotta translate it, cause
I'm not translating.
Why?
Like, seriously. Translate. Like,
yes, you gotta translate it. Oh, somebody's mad, yeah.
Somebody. Les
Somebody's
chaussettes
mad.
de l'archiduche sont-elles sèches? What is that?
She says.
Archi sèche, I don't know. Comme li dit, translate li. Boal foot li. Oh, moi qui dis le anglais. The sock de l'archiduchesse. The socks of l'archiduchesse sont-elles sèches? Oh, no. Wait. No, sont-elles sèches? Like, are there? What else to say sèche? I don't know what to say.
Dry.
Yeah, dry.
But anyways, next. Et dimanche, je vais à l'église avec mes amis. Sunday, I will go to church with my friends.
Pas pour faire bah moi ça merde.
Okay, do this too.
Same thing. Read and give it up.
Guys,
I'm not
comment down
trying.
Team Kathou.
Si mon tonton sera tonton.
But you can't translate the Simon Toto if my uncle. Tonton.
If my uncle, your tonton, your tonton sera, your tonton is what?
It's my uncle. Wait, oh, there's one more. I was about to say. Viens avec moi, nous allons chercher la petite-
Gade Jean Google certifié à qu'on parle français bien.
Thank you. Viens avec moi, nous allons chercher la petite fille. Come with me. We're going to pick up la petite fille. Viens avec moi. Come with me. Nous allons chercher. We're going to pick up. Is it we going? We're going to pick up the young lady, la petite fille. The little girl. How do you say it? Oh, the little girl. I got it right? Come with me. We are going to pick up the little girl.
Why you say
Chercher. Come with me. We are going to. How do you say chercher? We are going to get the little girl.
5 chiens chassent 5 chiens chassent 6 chats.
You can do it, Shaida.
I know I can do it. I don't want to do it.
Why?
Cause
You just wanna lose?
yeah.
Then well, good job. I win. And I will always be the winner. Make sure you guys comment Team Kathou.
That's the only one who was easy. 5 dogs go after 6 shots. Cat.
Parfois, il faut prendre du what, Shaida?
Recul.
Recul et passer au futur. Sometimes you have to think. Sometimes you have to prendre du recul. Sometimes you have to slow down and think about the future.
No.
I don't know what the heck is recul.
Sometimes you have to back up.
But slow down.
Slow down is not the same as back up. When you translate it,
Yes.
it doesn't say back up.
It's a back up.
Nope.
Means slow down.
Nope.
When I say back up, that
Nope.
means slow down. Don't talk to
Nope.
me now.
Nope.
Well, anyways, I got half credit.
Yeah.
So you
You
guys,
got 1 for like 4 out of 5.
You guys comment down below who you think. Who you think won this challenge?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, baby girl. So it was a pleasure doing this video for you guys.
Yeah. We should do one
We
in
had
Spanish
a lot of
too.
fun. You know, they
Yeah,
might
next
ask
time
us
we're gonna
to
do Spanish. Like, I don't know if it's 2 part or 5 questions, like 5 things.
Oh,
in
you're gonna
Spanish.
Google them online. Promise me you're not gonna Google them. Cause
I
you
don't
know,
Google stuff. You see that? They didn't Google nothing.
Then
I'm not
gonna
you.
Okay, I'm not gonna.
She go cha-cho, cha-cha-cha. Like, seriously.
Guys, if you didn't know that, I speak more than 3 languages. So I speak Spanish, French, Creole, Portuguese, Chinese, like more than 36. So me equal, me niña.
Oh, you know how we gonna do them? 5, we're gonna do 2 part on it. 5 of them will have like words, like the hola, to translate en anglais.
Oh.
Comme ça, et puis to the next one, it will have like a phrase to translate it, but like not easy.
¿Qué?
But like don't go on.
¿Dónde usted? ¿Usted va?
Shut up!
Esa mujer, le va a parler la muy positiva.
So yeah, oh, if you see how I'm
For real. So anyways, you guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe for more videos. Bye for now. Peace out. I don't even see what the heck is the camera.